What's Gucci, guys? It's your favorite mentor back again, guys, with another banger, guys. So I'm just going to be analyzing Nasdaq and US 30 and giving you guys some tips on what you should be looking for and what you should not be looking for in the market when it comes to trading NAS 100 and US 30 during this time. They said the recession might hit, or they said recession is around the corner. You get the point. So you should obviously be trading with caution. If you don't know what recession is, please do research and yeah, man, just trade, you know, with the mindset of knowing that the market could do anything at any time. You get the point. But you know, with the conflict that's going on the USD side, it's really we're really thinking positive for the stocks, you know, to go up. Like for NAS 100, US 30, them, we're looking for the stocks to go up at the end of the day, because we have channels and we have zones that has to be filled. But nonetheless, guys, let's get into the chart. So here we actually have NAS 100 showing us that the market is pushing to the top side, and we can see that the market is currently in a small uptrend. You get the point. So the market has its first touch here, the market has its second touch here, so we're obviously looking for the market to come create its third touch here. But we have to trade like here when we are still in the process, because as we can see, the market is in some kind of consolidation, and we know a consolidation is a continuation pattern, it's not a reversal pattern. So the market pushed to the top side and started creating this continuation pattern. So what are we going to look for at the end of the day? For the buyers, the market is confirming a strong movement to the top side, which is which the buyers are really in favor here. You get the point. So once we have this small uptrend, I'm just gonna move straight into the chart, because you know the vibe, guys. Like we can't keep on struggling here. You get the point. So obviously here I'm gonna have my zone marked out to say that this is my resistance part. Ugh, guys, you know, analyzing on the phone can be so stressful, guys. Like, yeah, that's my resistant part. And then obviously we have our support, right? Just here down below we have our support type of thing. You get the point. So once we can identify our support and resistance, now it's time for us to see which side the market is really pushing to. So as you can see here, when the buyers go up, they go with momentum, guys. That's something I have in my strategy. You must always look at the momentum of the market. It's fine, the market hit this place one time, hit this place the second time, the third time, and then when it hit, it showed you a red candle. But still, are you looking at the momentum? Because if you're looking at the momentum, the market is showing you that the buyers are in control, right? And that's the same thing we're looking at here. The market had touched this the first time, the second time, the third time. It's here again and it's rejecting. But in the same time where the market is rejecting, the market is showing us some strong pushes to the top side, which does confirm to me that this market is going to be bullish. Like this year, we're going to have a bullish move when it comes to the stocks. You get the point. So after I'm done confirming where my momentum is, and after I'm done confirming where the overall buyers are, I'm just going to move down to my H1 time frame, because you know we day traders as much as we are swing traders, right? And it's possible to do both, guys. Don't limit yourself. So the previous analysis that I had is I had this small down channel here, or can I call it a wedge, or I think it's a down channel, right? Which the market broke out of, and then it went to the top side, which we thought that the market is going to keep on selling because of the momentum it showed us here. But then the this bullish engulfing candlestick came out, which just changed everything, right? So what I can see here is the market is showing us sales, guys. It is showing us sales because of that rejection there. But are we going to get in now? We're not. Why? Because the market didn't show us some kind of candlestick confirmation. The market did not show us some kind of momentum. The market's volume is still bullish. So nonetheless, we're gonna wait for Nasdaq to show us, you know, confirmations for us to enter. That's how simple my strategy is, guys. Like, I don't complicate things when it comes to me trading. I make trading simple as ABC, guys. Like, I only look for the setups, because here we trade probabilities, right? So we need to look for the most probabilities that are in our favor. You get the point? So we can take our trades. So nonetheless, guys, let's move to US 30. So guys, you know me, I say that these indices, they tend on showing us, like, if US 30 shows you buys and Nasdaq doesn't show you a trade, you must know that Nasdaq is going to buy. And if Nasdaq is showing you buys and US 30 doesn't show you any setup, you must know that US 30 is going to buy. You get the point? So that's just a secret I'm sharing with you guys, that most mentors won't share with you, because, you know, people are stingy here. Like, this world, you know, welcome to the real world, where people are just greedy and stingy, and you get the point. So what we can see here is also US 30 rejecting from this, I don't want to cut the week, but US 30 is also rejecting from that trend to the downside. And if you can't see it, boy, tough luck, you know, tough luck. So let me just get in my trend there. Fine. So US 30 is rejecting the market. Is it? Yeah, US 30 is rejecting the market from that trend, but we don't have much confluences to say that US 30 is gonna sell. But we have this resistance build up here, which tells us that the market is bearish, but the resistance is still far-fetched. You get the point? So I'm just gonna mark up my support just to have a kind of idea, if I have to 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 sell this market, where my take profit or my next buy will be, or my next trade. So this is gonna be my next trade if I have to sell this market. So I'm just going to push down to the H1 time frame just to see things more clear. So here we can see something like a breakout and a retest, right? But you have to wait for the confirmations, because that might be a fake out. Because I once said on my YouTube video, if the market push up with momentum out of the trend line, the market could most probably push down with momentum, right, which can cause a fake out. And then the next thing is, if the market doesn't break a previous high, you must know that we're still in a downtrend. If the market doesn't break the previous low, you must know that we're still in an uptrend. You get the point? So with US 30, I'm still also gonna wait for confirmations before I enter. But what I can see is we have this high here, that's really actually, I'm gonna say that the money is there. You get the point? The money is sitting there, and if you can't see it, bro, then you have to join smart FX strategy, because yeah. So I'm gonna put up a screen record here, where the free signal group is just eating. We eating, boy, like we killing the market. If you wanna kill the market like us, guys, the link to the free group is going to be in the comment section. It is going to be in the description of this group. You guys just have to join the group, guys. If you want to make money, guys, you should really be hungry for success. You get the point? Because success doesn't come to you, you have to go to success. You get the point? So let me show you guys a secret here that I'm seeing, that US 30 is showing us sales. You know, this is just a secret, or let me say hacks, that I use if I don't see setups, or let's say I want to take a scalp. These are the things that I use. You get the point? So I use things like this. To confirm, you know, what I'm going to trade. So this thing mainly shows me that US 30 had a first touch here, second touch here, broke out, and then this is like a retest and then a sell. So that's like something. It's a secret that I use. You know, it's something that I use to catch some sniper entries, and this is something I use to catch like the fake outs, because as you can see, this is a fake out, right? So I take my entries here, and people will be like, why are you selling, bro? The market broke out. I'm like, no, the market broke out with momentum. The market didn't break this high. The market is showing some type of breakout retest here, boy. Even though this momentum, right? I also said in one of my videos that you should look for the one for it. It's either the buyers have more confirmations, or it's either the sellers have more confirmations. So when the buyers have more confirmations to buy, you obviously take the buy. If the buyers have more confirmations to sell, you obviously take the sell. And one thing that I've got of the sells is, like, we have some kind of a resistance build up there also. So if the market tends to respect that resistance, we're going to be looking for the market to sell all the way down. You get the point? But still the indices are bullish. You get the point? Still the indices are bullish, right? So I'm gonna try and throw in gold here, just to you know, just to sharpen your skills. So guys, these are the analysis of gold. I'm not gonna analyze gold because I told you guys that once I analyze in front of you guys, once I plot my tools and everything, you guys are just gonna, figure out my strategy. So this is easy. With gold, we're trading easy stuff. It's ABC. It's ABC. So what you can see here is that the market had a first touch here, second touch here, and then came down. The market is selling hard. But what you don't realize is each time the market goes up, the market goes slowly but surely, but it reaches the top. You get the point. So my mojo is always, if the market can come down with a strong move, the market can go up with a strong move. You get the point. So what I see is the first touch, second touch, third touch, guys. It's the third touch theory, and then I'm looking to capture the 90% of this overall bullish channel, right? So I always say that when you're trading gold, right, try and use your mid-range. Get your mid-range somewhere and use it, right? So this is my mid-range, guys. That's why the market is rejecting like that. That's my mid-range. What you can actually do to have a proper mid-range, or to calculate your trade properly, you just take your highest point of the trend or your highest point of the channel. Let me just get it proper, and then take it to your lowest point of the channel, which is let's say this one, right? Let's say this one. You see my mid-range was actually kind of on point, right? So you get this, and then you plot it like here where the 50% is. This is where you plot the mid-range, right? So you just plot it nicely. Yeah. So then you remove the the Fibonacci tool. So now you can see your mid-range properly. So that's what I use, guys, to to identify myself in the market. Am I a buyer? Am I a seller? What am I, right? So that's all, guys, for the analysis. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, guys. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Share this video with friends and family so they can get notified once I upload, guys. If this video gets the minimum of 15 likes, I'm gonna drop another video where I give away the high and low strategy. This is a strategy that I had before. It's a strategy that I used before the pure price action. So if you want to get that strategy for free on YouTube, make sure you like this video, share this video so this video can get the minimum of 50 likes, and then I'm gonna explain the high and low strategy live, and I might give away 5 spots of one-on-one mentorship if this video gets 50 likes, guys. Yeah, guys, so join the free group to get an NFP signal. NFP is coming up soon. We have CPI, we have FOMC, guys. Join the free group to chop the market with us. See you guys on another video. Thank you.